Hi, my name is Salom Khalid, a mechanical design associate. Yes, today I just want to make use of configurations in SolidWorks. Assume you are in a SolidWorks exam like CSWP exam or CSWA exam. So you've already created this basic part like the way you can see this one, and now you want to go to the next question, in which that question has got different features. Uh, different features you want to maybe to add more features, you want to remove the other features in the next question. Depends on how the questions needs you to do. So what you can do is to understand the use of configurations in a SolidWorks software, and that's what I'm going to show you simply on how to make different configurations and modify the individual configurations without affecting the first model in your exam. So how to do it is, let's go together now. Okay, I'm just going to boss extrude, that is the first feature maybe, and right click on the feature, and then there's configure feature. On the configure feature there is default. That feature is in this default model, and then I want to create different configuration. Let's say the first configuration is question 2. This default is as if it is question 1, so I want to create question 3 as well. Question 3, yes, and then create maybe question 4. Yeah, that's it, and then apply. Yeah, when you go to configuration manager, you can see now I have already created different questions, different questions, yes, or different configurations, in which I can make some changes in these configurations without affecting the previous one. So maybe I'll just highlight the second question. Yes, the second question, maybe in the second question, the second configuration, I want to remove this feature. Yes, so on that feature I don't want to appear in my configuration, so I'm just right click to that feature and configure feature, and then in my second question there I check that suppress feature. Okay, and then apply, and then if I apply, that feature is not there in this configuration now. And maybe I do like this feature, this feature, this feature. I don't like this feature in this configuration, and right click and then configuration, and on that question 2, and then I check that feature and apply. Yes, that's it. So you can see, and then I add more feature on there. Go to sketch, and then it's like somebody draw the circle around there, then go to extrude, and then extrude. I'll go like 100 or yeah 60, and that's it. You see that configuration has got that feature, and the other feature removed from my model. Okay, now when I go to the configuration manager, but when I go to the default configuration, then that feature is not there. Then the features, some features are there, and some other features are not there. So you can see this one is different from this one. So you can add more feature, you can remove more features, but without affecting the first model, the default model. You can even go to the question number 3, that configuration, and modify that feature. Maybe I want to just sketch, like yes, I just want to sketch maybe something like go to sketch, and then on that model I draw something like this. Okay, I go to the feature and then extrude burst, and yes, yeah, that's it. And go to view and then yeah, 3D. Then in the third question we have added this feature which is not existing in the second configuration, and which is not existent in the first configuration. So different configurations, different features. More feature can be added or more features can be removed to depends on what you will need in a specific configuration. And this is the simplest way to make use of your time during uh, performance of your exam. You can do these simple configurations. You can change features in a specific configuration without affecting the previous one. This is how to make modification in your design model in at any moment of your design. It's pretty simple and useful and efficient. So that is how to make use of the configuration in a software to make changes of different features in a different models without affecting the previous one. It depends on what you need. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, simple one, and it will be useful in your design later. So welcome to the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel called Salum Khalid Software Tutorial. And bye bye.